when it comes to combining exceptional performance with convenient portability. This Cuisinart roll-away gas grill stands out as a top contender. This versatile grill is perfect for the serious backyard griller and the chef on the go, offering a seamless blend of robust grilling capabilities and easy transport. Whether you're hosting a family barbecue, tailgating, or camping, the Cuisinart CGG-240 is designed to meet all your outdoor cooking needs. Let's dive into what makes this grill a must-have for any grilling enthusiast. Why you should buy the Cuisinart roll-away gas grill. Versatility. The 6-in-1 design covers all your cooking needs in one appliance. Health-conscious cooking. Diamond-infused ceramic non-stick coating ensures healthier meals. Easy cleanup. Removable, dishwasher-safe plates and an integrated drip tray make cleanup effortless. Precision cooking. 1,600-watt power with adjustable temperature control for perfect cooking results. Sleek and durable design. Stainless steel construction ensures longevity and adds a modern touch to your kitchen. The Cuisinart roll-away gas grill features a convenient roll-away folding cart, making it incredibly easy to pack up and transport. Measuring 44 by 23 x 21 inches when folded and 41 by 23 by 36 inches when fully open. This grill is ideal for decks, patios, balconies, camping, and tailgating. The built-in stand offers the capacity of a large grill in a portable size, allowing you to grill a variety of foods from vegetables and meats to pizzas and seafood. With a generous 240 square inch cast iron grill surface, the Cuisinart roll-away gas grill provides plenty of space to cook for family and friends. The porcelain enamel-coated cast iron grilling surface ensures even heat distribution, delivering outstanding results every time. The double-wall stainless steel cover enhances heat retention, making it easier to achieve those perfect grill marks. At the heart of this grill is a 15,000 BTU stainless steel loop burner that heats up quickly and evenly. The precision temperature gauge and twist-start electric ignition provide easy, reliable starting and control, allowing you to manage your cooking temperature effortlessly. The heat distribution panel reduces flare-ups and ensures consistent cooking temperatures across the entire grilling surface. The Cuisinart roll-away gas grill comes equipped with two fold-in 10 inches by 10 inches side tables, providing ample space for plates, condiments, and grilling tools. These stainless steel shelves conveniently fold back under the cover for storage when the grill is not in use. Additionally, the grill utilizes a drip tray to collect grease and drippings, making cleanup a breeze. The gas regulator monitors the flow of gas from your propane tank to the grill, ensuring safe and efficient cooking. Ideal for outdoor gatherings. If you're looking for a grill that offers the capacity of a large unit but doesn't take up much space, the Cuisinart roll-away gas grill is the perfect choice. Its portability and compact design make it ideal for various outdoor activities. Whether you're at the beach, a picnic, or your backyard, this grill can handle it all. It's also a fantastic gift for the grill master in your life. Achieving professional-grade results with the Cuisinart roll-away gas grill is straightforward. The double-wall stainless steel cover helps distribute heat evenly, allowing you to cook like a pro. To get those coveted grill marks, preheat the grill to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, place the food on the hot grate, and leave it alone for about 4 minutes or until it releases easily. The key is not to flip the food prematurely, but to let it sear properly. One of the standout features of the Cuisinart roll-away gas grill is its ability to generate more heat than many large grills. This high heat output, combined with the cast iron cooking grate and even the heat distribution panel, ensure that your food cooks evenly and quickly. Whether you're grilling chicken, vegetables, beef, or seafood, you can expect amazing results every time. Cuisinart stands by the quality of its products, offering a 3-year limited warranty on the Cuisinart roll-away gas grill. This commitment to customer satisfaction ensures that you can purchase with confidence, knowing that Cuisinart is dedicated to providing the best grilling experience possible. Final thoughts. The Cuisinart Rollaway Gas Grill is a versatile, high-performance grill that combines portability with exceptional grilling capabilities. Its ample grilling space, powerful heating, and convenient features make it an excellent choice for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. Whether you're grilling in your backyard, at a campsite, or at a tailgate party, this grill delivers professional-grade results every time. Ready to elevate your grilling game? The Cuisinart Rollaway Gas Grill is your ultimate solution for exceptional outdoor cooking. Don't miss out on this fantastic grill that combines performance, portability, and ease of use. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.